Welcome back as we look around the region on this now mix of clouds and sun as we roll through this evening. Unfortunately, I'm not getting any live data right now. There must be some sort of a system outage somewhere. So hopefully that will get resolved here soon. At least the radar is working. We'll definitely need this tomorrow with that rain coming in. This isn't rain. This is smoke, particulate. Number of small fires over several parts of western and south Georgia. Not sure what the deal is with all of them. Wouldn't be surprised if many of them are just prescribed burns. This is the time of year to do that. We are very, we're not in a drought right now. That's what I'm looking for. We're not like, there is like a word for like when you've had too much water. I guess it'd be flooding, but we aren't doing that either. Either way, good evening. Keeping it pretty warm out there as the cloud cover ramps up. 55 degrees for our low tonight. East-southeast wind around 5 miles per hour with that rain expected to move in ahead of the sunrise tomorrow. So mid-50s basically across the board. It's very, very mild night. A chance for some fog early on as we go through tonight, but I think the wind's going to pick up a little bit as we go to tomorrow morning, and that will cause that fog to lift. So here we go. Rain moves in as we begin our Friday. You'll definitely need the rain gear out the door tomorrow. This widespread stratiform rain, some light, some moderate. We get into tomorrow afternoon, and this is probably where you start to see it become more off and on for us a bit. Then this warm front comes in, so we'll have a chance for a thunderstorm or two as we get into the evening and early overnight hours tomorrow. But given where the low is, we're not worried about severe weather. And then we're going to be seeing showers as we go into our Saturday afternoon on the back end of this system with some pretty strong wind coming in out of the north. We can see gusts reach as high as 30 miles per hour. It'll be a mostly cloudy day. The sun will be back for us as we get into Sunday, and that should be a good end to the Cherry Blossom Festival with highs in the upper 60s and low 70s. I don't think we'll see rain by 7:30, but a shower or two before midnight I definitely do think is fair game. We go through the overnight hours, it becomes cloudy very quickly, and here's that rain as we get into tomorrow morning. Wind gusts starting to push that 10-15 mile per hour range. And at this point, it's probably going to be too much for that fog to remain. So if we do get some, it'll be overnight. But here we go. Tomorrow, off and on. This is just gross weather, but at least it's not anything concerning. We go through the afternoon. These wind gusts are pretty strong. I mean, we're seeing 20-25 miles per hour out of the east-southeast, but that's nowhere near severe category. It's just a little bit on the gusty side of things. But when we get into the evening here, that warm front rolling through, there will be the possibility for a couple of thunderstorms, and that could last into the early parts of tomorrow night as well. But as we get into Saturday, wind's going to become variable initially as that low moves through, and then you're going to see that come in from the north, and you notice how quickly it ramps up as we get into those afternoon hours. Rain Saturday realistically could happen anywhere in the region, but the odds as of right now do look highest over the southern half, especially this southeastern third. So that looks like where we'll see the most rain. Let's go ahead and check out the totals associated with that. Macon, we are looking at about an inch, just under. They're seeing about 9/10 of an inch in Gordon, 8/10 of an inch in Warner Robins, but we could see 2 inches plus in our southernmost counties. For tomorrow, for the final day of the week, 64 for our high in Macon. A little gusty with those winds pushing as high as 25 miles per hour. Your extended forecast is coming up in 10 seconds. Your 41 NBC AccuWeather 7-day forecast brought to you by Volume Chevrolet. So rain tomorrow, rain Saturday. Looking really good on Sunday, final day of the Cherry Blossom Festival. Clouds return Monday evening with more rain Tuesday, Wednesday. Maybe we can get a midweek rain trend going and start getting some sunny weekends around here.